Hello everyone, I am Matt from CADglobal, and I will show you quick and free way to convert PDF files into DWG format in progeCAD. If you are looking for the best PDF to DWG converter, there is a link in description for a free progeCAD download. Here we have a simple unfinished blueprint of a building that we want to import in progeCAD or AutoCAD and work on it. Upon opening progeCAD, we just click the top left icon and select PDF to DWG. Here we put our PDF file source destination and under it our export destination of our converted WG file. If you have multiple PDF files, click on the batch option. For one file, click on single file option. Let's select our single PDF file. Right away it is shown in the preview window below, where we can also see all the pages we have in our PDF file. On the right side of the window we can adjust some options. The first option is to choose in which layers we want to convert our PDF file to. We will select that the PDF layers are imported by color. Here we can choose what happens with our images from the PDF, our white space in the background, and here we can adjust our scale and rotation. Options Convert Range gives us the capability to convert multiple pages or just one desired page and how we will save them as DWG. Object options are great for small adjustments. We will check this last one and write down 1 mm because we want dashed lines converted as they are. In advanced settings we have some additional options for our drawing units, our character recognition, cropping boxes, output formats, and some other fine adjustments. But for now, we do not need adjusting these. We will just click on OK and start our conversion. Our PDF file was successfully converted into DWG file. You can see that elements are editable now, so we can work on our file in progeCAD, AutoCAD, or another DWG CAD program. Download progeCAD for free on our website, CADglobal.xyz. Just click on the link on the left and choose your country. For more videos like this, hit the like button. If you have any questions about PDF to DWG conversion or Perpetual CAD licenses, comment below or email us. Thank you for watching.